Hey guys, if you are looking for a great emulator for your operating system, then what else could be a better option than BlueStack, right? So let's get into downloading it. Open your browsing app and then type in BlueStack. Here click the first link. So you will be given two options. If you want to download BlueStack 10, then press this, and if you want to download BlueStack 5, then press this. Click here to install. And this icon will appear. Open this once it's completed. And the next step will be installing it to our system. Bear with me while it's being downloaded. After its complete installation, you will see something like this. And here is the Play Store, and you can install any application you want. Also, there are different varieties of game here. Lastly, enjoy using BlueStack and follow our page Login Giants for more. Thank you for watching.